Greetings everyone, this is Elizabeth and today I'm here with the Crescent Creation channel to share the new elephants on parade that are in the shop. I did go ahead and do some masks. I did these with some Gina K masking magic, and then I did this little one with some of my mint tape. So if you have a low tack tape, you can definitely make your own masks. We're going to use these really cute elephants on parade. You guys, they're adorable. We have a little banner that you can put, it's a girl, it's a boy, hello baby, congrats, I love you, which is what we're going to use today. And it comes with some of the cutest little accessories. Oh my goodness. And if there's not enough elephants for you, you can get one more with the Elephant on Parade add-on. And it's Elephant Parade. I keep saying elephants on parade. Elephant Parade. Elephant Parade, you guys. But elephants on parade would be a really cute card. Let's just say that. So I also am pulling out my heart stencil, Tiny Hearts by Simon Hurley. We're going to do a fun little technique for the background. I have my A2 card panel, my A2 card base, which we're going to set out of the side. I've got some markers. I've got some inks. So first things first, we are going to stamp our images because we do want to mask them out, right? We want to put them in here and mask them out. So we're going to have our little mom and baby, or dad and baby, or big brother, you know, whatever. And that's the great thing, is it can be anything, right? And then we're going to have our little flag. And these stamp beautifully. I've stamped them a few times, so we're just going to get this little guy picked up. And we're going to use our Memento because it is an alcohol-safe ink. You want something that is water-based because it's alcohol, you know. It's not going to make it react. And we're going to have our little hill. So our little cute little family is going to go here. Like so. This would make a cute teacher card too. You know, that could be a teacher and a little student. Ta-da! Look how adorable. Okay, we're going to get this little guy here. Little guy, little gal. You could give them a little crown. I love that. You know, we're going to use the little crown today, so ours is going to be a little guy. But there is a floral headband. I mean, well, it could also be, you know, a princess crown, whichever you want to do. And we kind of want them on the same level. So we're going to do that, because we're just going to use a piece of mint tape to run across. So there's that. We're going to get our little flag. Now, okay, we're going to put our little mask down first because I don't want the flag going on top of his nose. I kind of want it going on the back of the nose. Oh, look, I stamped it on a crease. The Gina K Masking Magic does have a crease. And always cut on the inside of your line, okay? So that we can set our image in like so. While I'm putting those down, I might as well get this one, which I did not stamp on a crease, but that's okay. Just flick it backwards until we get it to separate. Maybe. Yep, almost had it. Here we go. Ta-da! We just gently set this right on there. And the great thing about these the Gina K, I can't say much for the rest, but the Gina K Masking Magic you can use several times. I just store the images with the stamps, so I'll stick that right to the stamp. We're going to ink this right back up just because, and then we're going to stamp that right there like so. And see, if we didn't have that mask, we'd have that stick in the nose. But when we peel that, it'll be like tucked in. I know, it's still weird because it's not wrapped around, but it works. It'll work, it'll work. Okay, so there's our little cuties. Next easy peasy step is we're going to give them a background. We're going to give them ground first, okay? So we're going to take a little bit of this tape. Now, when you do the ground, right, we don't want it right at their feet because then it's like they're at the edge of the world. We need them to be in the middle of the field. So we're just going to scooch it up a little bit, like so. Okay. So then they'll have ground behind them as well as in front of them. Okay. This technique of putting them inwards is also good for tables, because you don't want them on the edge of the table. You want them on the center of the table or inwards on the table. We're going to take our lightest green. In my case, we have some Overzealous by Simon Hurley. And we're just going to, because we've got them masked off. This is the best part. We've got them masked off. We don't even have to worry. We're just going to put in some of that lovely Overzealous. Nice light color at the top. Kind of arch it. Okay, that's going to round and keep your eyes in a little bit. Then we're going to take our darker green and just gently swirl it right in there. Again, go up a little bit on those edges. Just blend that right in there. If it's too light where they meet, just add some more. Ugh, so beautiful. I love these colors. This one is called Fake Plant. Some of them are sold out, but Neha at Crescent Creation does have some of the Simon Hurley inks. If you want to test one out, see how you like it. I'm obsessed. It was my first stamp collection. I love them. They're felt pad. They're pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Ooh, look. Oops. We don't want our elephant, but even, look. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to peel and clean. I'll be right back. Okay, got everything cleaned up and then realized we forgot our little crown. And I did put the mask on for the flag. So we've got, oops. Have our crown actually in there. So we've got our little crown, and because everything's masked off, we can just go ahead and stamp like so. It's fabulous. Masking is so much fun, you guys. You can do so much with it. And then we've got our little piece of mint tape, which we're gonna just plop right in there. Look at that, just like so. Okay, now we can take the mint tape that we used on there and we're going to cover the bottom. Now when we do this, just like cutting a mask, we're going to put it just a hair on the inside. We don't want a white halo between our skyline and our grass unit, right? So we just want just a sliver. And mint tape doesn't like to be used twice, but you can negotiate with it a little bit and get it to do what you want, do your bidding. And now we're going to take the tiny heart stencil. Remember, everything's masked off under there. We're going to get our Versamark, or your sticky ink, whatever sticky ink that you have. Okay, and then you're just gonna pounce it in there. You're gonna try and get it in there the best you can. It's gonna be very fun because what's gonna happen is the blue that we put over it, it's gonna stick a little bit different to the Versamark, and so you're gonna have this interesting tonal effect. And it doesn't have to be perfect by any means, but you can see there's our little hearts in there. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And remember, you'll need to clean this, but it's okay. So we're going to set it to the side. I just stuck my finger in the Versamark. Okay, look at that. Look at that goodness. Oh, I can't wait to show you what it's going to do. It's kind of gooey in a couple of spots. So what I'm going to do is I don't want to lay this rag on it because it's dirty. What do I want to do? I want to take a piece of paper. Let me finagle this one right out of the garbage. And I'm just going to press. I'm not going to wiggle the paper around. I'm just going to press and pick up any of the loosey-goosey ink. Okay. That's better. Okay. Kind of give it a little dry there for you. And then we ink. I'm going to go pretty heavy on the edges. Oh my goodness. Look it. Can you guys see? Oh, I love it. Those tiny little hearts. Okay, now well, I am super duper sad. My camera stopped. So, you guys didn't get to see me color or finish this blue area, which I don't know. But here it is. Isn't it adorable? I used the decal trimmer to trim this up. I used the 2 darker grays on the bigger elephant, and I did put the peachy color in the ears, and then just blended right over the top, so it gives like this almost see-through look. Okay. We used a gel pen for the crown, so it's got a little bit of glitter going on. We alcohol markered the banner in the lighter purples and then stamped over that. Okay. But for the most part, the masking was really the important part, and the Versamark through the stencil for the sky. You can do this with any stencil, you know, Versamark first and then color, and it'll be cool. And it is not sticky. So when you ink over Versamark, it takes out the sticky part. Hopefully my next video will not cut out, which I am going to be making something else for you guys. Hope to see you back here at the channel. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a crafty, wonderful day. Bye-bye.